So here is the detailed tutorial on how to add Avalanche seed chain to your MetaMask address and to your Trust Wallet address. Already, this tutorial is mainly for MetaMask, but because most of us use Trust Wallet, I'm going to add a Trust Wallet version. Meanwhile, MetaMask is widely used because of its compatibility with browsers. That's why it's important to know how to add this. Alright, most Avalanche seed chain is a network on its own, so most coins are created on Avalanche seed chain. So apart from adding it, we are going to also see how you can add other custom token on that seed chain network on MetaMask and as well Trust Wallet. So stay tuned to the end of this video so you won't miss anything, because misunderstanding anything within this tutorial could lead to permanent loss of your token or coin. So see you in the tutorial. Alright. So all you need to do is go onto your MetaMask. If you click on your MetaMask this way on your desktop, you can see that we have a browser extension already. So when you already add your recovery phrase and then added your extension like this, you have it this way. Alright, so you tap on settings, tap on that menu, then click on settings, then tap on network, then click on add new network, and you will have your MetaMask looking this way. Alright, I already feed this out. You have it looking this way. So when you have it looking this way, all you need to go do is fill in these details: network name, Avalanche seed chain, new RPC URL. You put in this. Wait, I know you are anxious to watch this video, but I want you to just do me a favor right now. Please hit the subscription button below and then like the video. You can continue. If you have any other thoughts, comment it, and then I'll always look out for them. Back to your video. Then chain ID 43114, and then symbol AVAX, then Explorer ID, and then you tap on add. Alright, the reason why mine is not reflecting here is because I already added it. Alright, so all I need to do right here is to just switch it. You can see I already have Avalanche seed chain. Boom, everything's already added. Alright, so now that everything's already added, you see I can continue to make transactions without going through the stress of adding tokens to the wallet already. Okay, so now I have my wallet on AVAX. You can see that I have 0 AVAX. Alright, so one thing that you are going to want to do is, first of all, let me tap here to go to the net, paste and go. So remember the place the Explorer section. This is Avalanche seed chain Explorer. The Explorer is 𝗕𝗜𝗡𝗘.io. Alright, within this Explorer you can find any token that you want to add to the network. Alright, let me click on this and then let me just search a random token right here. See here, you can even find random tokens, even different tokens. Alright, let me search USDT, which is the popular token that you can add. Okay, USDT Theta token. Alright, so you can see there's a lot of them right here. Let me click on this first one here. So now click on it, copy the contract ID. Alright, the contract ID, copy it right here, then go to my MetaMask, click on import tokens, paste that contract ID I just copied, paste it there. Okay, we have it there. Boom, I've added that token, USDT.E. Alright, so if I'm searching let's say BNB, alright, BNB, alright, BNB. Okay, all these tokens that are actually reflecting here are tokens that they have their network on their own network. Okay, I forgot to import. Click import on this one. Let's just have it here. Okay, we already have it. It's on the wallet. You can see USDT. Then import another token. Let me paste that one right there. BNB, it will reflect BNB 18 custom add, then import tokens, and boom, I've been able to successfully add Avalanche seed chain network to my MetaMask, and every other transaction that is done on this network will reflect here. If I tap on this account, okay, I can just tap in here, means I'm just copying the address, and then I can go to Binance or go to anywhere and send token on that network to this address. All right, so let's just see how we can do it on a mobile, and then probably see how we can switch it on Trust Wallet as well. Please, at this point of this tutorial, you'll be sure that you are subscribed to the channel, like this video, and then comment if you're actually enjoying the tutorial.
Pretty simple. If you're doing it on a mobile device, it's just as simple as ABC. Go to click on MetaMask. All right, then when you go to your MetaMask, you will have it load this way. You have to enter your passcode and everything. Okay, so here we are, MetaMask. All right, so okay, you can see I already added Avalanche chain to my MetaMask right here. All right, so for the same purpose, all right, let me just go over it again. You click on the menu, that's this menu right here. Okay, then click on settings, then click on network, click on add new network. In the same details we filled in on the desktop. All right, the network, the RPC, the chain ID, the symbol, and the explorer. It's already in the description of this video, no need to worry. Okay, once you are done doing that, you click add. It will be added successfully. By the time you add it, you see it looking this way. This how, but now you are done filling this out to look like. Then you click add. All right, then by the time you are done adding it, it will be looking this way. You can see on this other platform there is no token added right here. So now, to add that token right there, let's say to add new token, let me just go back to copy the explorer ID. So any token that you want to add on this network, all you just need is the contract ID of the token. All right, so on the mobile phone, all I need to do, I just copy that explorer ID. I just go to my browser, that's my Chrome, then paste in that explorer ID I copy, and then go enter. Then it will take me to this place here. So here I can even add, let me just type another token right here, Ethereum. I can see Ethereum Meta, I can see Ethereum here. Let me tap on Ethereum. Copy the contract ID. Okay, don't know if that is real Ethereum. Then come here, add import tokens, paste that contract ID, paste it in, and it should reflect. Tap outside, boom, import, and we have it there. We have Ethereum on AVAX network. All right, so that's just a simple way to just do this on mobile using MetaMask. All right, so switching to Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet is a bit different. All right, switching to Trust Wallet. In Trust Wallet, you don't need to go through all the plenty addition and stuffs like that. All right, all you need to do on Trust Wallet is to copy the recovery phrase of the wallet. All right, so let me tap here, click on setting, click on that, then click on the plus sign to copy the recovery phrase. Some section may be blurred already. Okay, no, you click on this three dots beside the wallet to copy the recovery phrase. Some section might be blurred after now. By the time you copy the recovery phrase, then click on the plus sign, click on I already have a wallet. Then here you can see you can import it on Trust Wallet as a multi-coin wallet, or you just go and search for the network. Okay, you can see we found Avalanche chain here. The issue with Trust Wallet is most times you will not find all the network on Trust Wallet. All right, unlike MetaMask that you can just search them out and then fix them. All right, especially new network cannot be found on Trust Wallet. Let me tap on Avalanche chain, paste the recovery phrase, then import, and that's done. I have Avalanche chain network right here. So the same way I copied this contract ID, I can still copy it and then still add it on Trust Wallet. All right, then let me add new token. Just paste in the contract ID, boom, the token should come up. I copy the writing, add custom token, paste the contract ID. maybe this token on Trust Wallet. Let me use a USDT. Maybe it's expecting me to type it in manually. Let me copy this, come here, passcode, paste. All right, so that just appeared. So on Trust Wallet, it's just as simple as that. See, we've added USDT Theta token. All right, so it's just as simple as that. So guys, please subscribe to my channel for more content like this, like my videos, and share to friends and family. All right.